Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at the wallet case for the OnePlus 7. It's made from vegan leather and the case has a soft feel with subtle logos on the front and back, with stitching running along the edges of the case. The magnetic clasp keeps it firmly closed and pins it to the back when it's not needed. On the back, you've got a deep cutout and your camera is well protected from scratches but won't cause shadowing when you're taking pictures. Cutouts along the top and bottom are accurate enough not to impede your access or restrict your camera. The inner tray is a flexible TPU case, making it easy to slide your phone in and out. With a built-in TPU tray, this case functions as a fully protective phone case that covers the whole phone including the screen, keeping it protected when the case is shut. The inner side of the lid has 3 credit card size slots, perfect for traveling light and a larger pocket for banknotes. Our wallet case also opens up to become a fully functional stand for watching videos on the go. It can be adjusted to find your perfect viewing angle. This is easily the best way to watch this screen hands-free. The Orzly wallet case for OnePlus 7 is available now. Links will be below. This is possibly the best all-in-one case you'll ever get. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more, and follow us on social media if you want the latest news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.